After months of speculating whether or not we'll get an iPhone 12 and Apple Watch 6 in the same time frame as previous years, Apple has confirmed it will host a September launch event virtually. The company sent out the official invite for September 15th at 10 a.m. that can be accessed via Apple's website, YouTube channel, or through the Events app on Apple TV. Now, a lot of rumors going on. What will they brought in this event? Will they give any updates on iPhone 12? Or about the Apple Watch? Or about the next iPad Air 4? Check this video and clear all your doubts. Though Apple hasn't released an official statement about what we can expect, the company did warn investors in July that the next iPhone would be delayed by a few weeks. A number of outlets, including CNET and Bloomberg, have also suggested we won't see an iPhone 12 until at least mid-October. So we're expecting updates on Apple Watch Series 6 and iPad Air 4. The Apple Watch Series 6 is expected to have better battery life, for more robust sleep tracking, and at least one new health tracking feature. The strongest rumor seems to be about new SpO2 or blood oxygen level tracking. The other surprise may be a cheaper version of the Apple Watch, possibly called the Apple Watch SE, with the same look and feel as the current Series 3. It's likely it would cost the same, starting at $200, but come with a newer processor. The latest rumors about the iPad Air refresh point to a larger screen without bezels and a similar design to the current Pro model. That means flat edges and no home button. Rather than replacing Touch ID with Face ID, rumors point to a Touch ID sensor integrated into the side button. The updated iPad would likely also get an upgraded processor, as the current Air still uses Apple's older A10 chip. It may also switch to USB-C instead of a Lightning connector like the iPad Pro. The better processor would enable more ARKit capabilities, though not quite as advanced as what you get from the iPad Pro with its depth-sensing LiDAR scanner. Moreover, we also may get updates on AirTag trackers, AirPod Studio, HomePod Mini, 13-inch MacBook Pro, and also on Apple's long-awaited AR glasses. So hope for the best and wait for their live event.